So there you go, a very simple way to display any trading card. This just happens to be my personal trading card for YouTube, and basically it's an action picture of me on the front, and then it has a short little bio and also my YouTube stats at the time I made the card, which was January 1st of 2018. So this is the 2018 version of my trading card, and hopefully I can make one every year, I'm not sure. I'll put a link in the description where I had these made up, and it was a very simple process. Didn't cost too much. They were about $50 for, it was about $80 for 500 of them. So wasn't too bad, and very high quality card, very thick, UV protected as well. And I'll put a link in the description where I got these made up. It was a place on the internet called Print Firm. So if you want to get your own trading card and trade with me, just let me know and I'll ship you one out, and you could ship me one back. And I would love to have the whole community start this whole process instead of the sticker things. The reason is the stickers are great and they're easy, but I'm running out of room for stickers, and I would love to get a whole book full of all the YouTube creators and just store them in a book. Also, I can take that book to the trade shows, and as I meet you, I can have you sign those cards, and that would just give me an extra benefit of collecting the cards. If you don't have a card yet to trade with me, that's fine. I do swap them out for stickers, and like I said, I'm running out of room for stickers to put them up, so I don't know if I'll make it a place here in my shop to put the stickers, but also another way to get these cards is you can go over to my website and buy one from me, and that just helps me out here in the shop. So really that's all I got for you today. Just a very simple way to display any trading card, and you can make this board as long as you want, or you know, a single card, or you can make them to fit multiple cards. I just chose a single card, and every time I update one, I'll just put another one right on this door right here, held with stick double-sided tape. And I'll also put the link in the description for the little piece of plastic that I used here to cover the card as well. So that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.